Dude, that looks like some poop water. That is a big ass truck. Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. And I just got home from work and it's supposed to be raining tomorrow, so we're gonna go for a little quick ride before it rains again. So anyway, let's get this cold start going. We in neutral. Oh, okay. Okay. Talk to him then. Let's see. Anything new? No. I do got some carbon coming. So, or not. Okay, anyway. Not some. I only have one piece coming, but I got some new brake pads coming. And I'm going to do a brake flush too, because I'm getting brake fade like really fast. And it's bothering me a lot. So, yeah. Besides that, still the same. What we got planned? I want some Jamba Juice. I really do. The 614. Wait, come on. Come on. Oh my goodness. Almost 12 minutes. It's not too bad. We need some music though. The Chinese store this past weekend and seeing some of the pizzas in person, I definitely need to get me one. They look way different in person than they do online. So we need one. We need it. We got cold tires, so I'm not gonna go bending corners. Oh, I love riding this thing, dude. Feels so good. I do want to get a new bike, don't get me wrong, but I also want to keep this bike because this bike, like, it's never giving me issues. It's super reliable. It's super easy to ride. It's very comfortable too. And like, I kind of want to make it just like my track bike, cause you know your boy got to get an R1. I need an R1 real bad. So, all right, buddy, we're gonna go ahead and go around you. Excuse me. But yeah, y'all, wheelies, if you guys like haven't noticed, just like from right there, the wheelies are getting a lot better. I'm getting a lot more comfortable with them now, and like I'm starting to find balance point now. I'm starting to like really feel like where the bike likes it at, where it wants to really pop up like good at, where like it's kind of dead at. So I mean, just seat time, practice to find it, you know. You're not gonna learn them overnight. Like, it's just not gonna happen. Something is dangling. What the heck? But I never learned with my rear brake, so like I'm not used to it, you know. So that's like, it's so weird having to like use it, but I mean I've kind of been practicing it. Not really, not like I should, but oh, thanks, dude. That is a big ass truck. Oh my goodness. But I've always wanted to ride different cities and stuff, you know, and experience their like, I don't even know, like how you say it, they're like vibe out there, I guess, or like their bike scene. Bro, this truck is huge. That shit is so big. Pause. Let's try to get a better one, a little third gear. BMW, baby. Oh, bike! I see a bike. Let's go get him. I seen him. I know you guys saw him too. I saw him from a mile away. Hopefully he's nice. Oh, what's up? Oh, I like that. That's clean. I like that. Thanks, bro. It's a BMW, yeah. BMW R. Yeah. They're hella fun, bro. Yeah. They're hella fun. What year is yours? 2013. 2013? Yeah. Is that your first bike? Second. Second bike? Okay. Hell yeah.
First one was a CBR 300.
Okay.
This is my second one.
Okay.
That's been for about 2 years now.
Okay. Working your way up still?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't rush it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Take your time.
I got my CBR for like maybe a year and a half before I ended up.
Okay. Alright, man. Cool guy. He's nice. He's nice. Cool guy. Hi, puppy. Thanks, man. Hi, puppy. I see it. Nobody's coming. Cool. Are they open still? I hope so. Said they were. We're gonna go ahead and park up here, cause you know, bike things and BMWs, you know what BMW doesn't park like an asshole. Oh, I need gas. He doesn't look very happy. Oh well. Oh well, he doesn't have to be happy. I'm happy. You feel me? What's up, man? Oh shit. Can I get a small strawberries wild? He said a couple questions. That means you give him a tip. Alright. That was fire. Like always. I love Jamba Juice. I wish I had one closer to my house, but alright. So gas first, and then we'll go find somewhere. Oh, I just burped. To take pictures at. Where's the gas station at? Let's go this way. What's up, man? Well, hopefully up in this these mountain areas, I can find a cool spot to take a picture. That's a fat house. What is this song, bro? They don't even say anything, it's just the beat, an instrumental. I don't like that. Let's get some gas. Is that a... Oh, Durango Hellcat. Okay. You don't see those a lot. I see Trackhawks all the time, surprisingly. I don't really see Durango Hellcats. Alright then, girl. Whip that thing then. Alright. On the road again. Alright. I need to... I think if we go straight, that's more like some... That's more like the... This is hard. I really need a camera. I want to buy a camera so bad, but they're expensive, dude. I can't spend $3-4 grand for a camera. Like, it's not gonna happen. I don't even have that. I don't even have that in my bank account. It's bad. Not with me at all. Our turn! Our turn! That's a big ass truck. Don't come near me. Come on! Oh my goodness. No, down there does look pretty good though. Not even gonna lie. What's over here? Oh! I like that. I wanna get like that. That'd be a cool road. Like picture the bike somewhere where you want it to be at, you know? And then that's where you can find it. Like if I can get up there. Can we get up there? I don't think so. That would be cool though. Oh, it was down here. We're gonna go see what's down there. Let's see what we got. What we got? Okay, a little road like that. I like that. Make sure no cars are coming. Kind of like it down there more. Yeah, I like it over there. Yeah, it is a cool spot. The sunset is over there, so well, you can't really see it, but so I'm gonna try to get something over there with that in the background. Let's see. Ooh, what you guys think? Ooh, wait, I want it to be that way. I was right. Oh my goodness. All right. Slip it again. Let's turn this off. I don't need my battery down out here in the boonies. That's pretty clean. I like the wheel being straight. I don't know why, but on this bike, like the pictures are way better when the wheel's straight. See? I'm breathing really loud right now. I can feel myself breathing really loud. I wish we could get it like up there. That'd be kind of cool. But I don't want to fall down here. Dude, that looks like some poop water. What's over there? It's streaming. You gotta be creative. Use your mind. I'm not creative at all, but 1000s are heavy. 1000s are heavy. Oh, but speaking about 1000s, you guys let me know what you guys want the next bike to be. I really want a R1. Like 2020 and up, R1 in blue. Like there are so many like great bikes out there, but like for me, the R1s, they just do it for me. my pants. No, don't get over it. I'm right here, buddy. Yep, I think there's a hole in my pants. But anyway, if y'all made it this far, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time. Make sure y'all follow me on IG and stuff like that. Do your thing. Show some love. See y'all next time.